Today we got a package from Swaggerty Sausage. I thought I would show you what it's like to get their products at your house. And typically, I know if I put a couple or at least one bundle in my cart, there are about 5 different shipping options. A lot of people see one option and they think it's way too expensive, but there should be about 5 different options if you take a look at it. And so this is what they just sent me, because of course they sponsor me, but yours would come in a package just like this. It comes FedEx and normally within 2 days, okay? So they ship it frozen, and then when you get it in, it's in a cooler. So you can see the cooler. And then you can see these freezer packs, and they're still good and frozen. I got mine today, and it was delivered this morning, and now it's about it's close to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I got this morning by about 8 o'clock. To give you an idea, I didn't want to unpackage it until Chris got home. Yummy yum, it makes me want breakfast, so I may cook some breakfast. So they sent me sausage links. It looks like a lot of them.
That's what I like.
I know Chris loves links, and they sent us.
Is it the hot or just a regular?
Just a regular. Well, they got maple flavor links. Let's see what else. The maple flavor link.
I hadn't seen those.
All right, and then they've got. Let's see. Maple flavor and just regular flavor.
Now, most people at their Walmart, they just have like the regular sausage and maybe the hot, right?
Yes.
So if you want the special stuff,
they also sometimes have the rolled sausage there too.
It's good.
And so you get Swaggerty's. They have a hot and a mild, and this is a all natural product, and it's at some of your other stores. This one is an all natural sage sausage, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm glad they sent me some. And then they sent us some Italian sausage, some brats, some beer brats, and bratwurst. Yummy yum. So I've got mild and
most
hot.
People call those brats.
Well, I'm just,
Brats.
I said brats. I wonder why he looked at me funny. Look.
Brats.
It's spelled brats, and I'm just no southern girl, so I said brats.
Brats.
So it's brats, according to Chris. And then bratwurst. Bratwurst. One says bratwurst. And one says beer brats.
Huh. I wonder why I wonder if they're the same thing.
No, I wouldn't think so. They're packaged with 2 different covers.
Huh.
So anyway, we'll get to cooking up something.
It's a lot of sausage.
We got to get this stuff in our freezer, but y'all, it's still frozen for the most part. So I wanted to show you how it comes in case you want to order you some. We'll see you on our next show. And we thank you so much for watching Collard Valley Cooks. And we thank Swaggerty Sausage for sponsoring us. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.